Hello viewers, welcome back to Reenka Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to be making African salad known as Abacha. I'm going to be making use of fish, crayfish, that is the African salad itself. I also have pepper, oil, owa, dry POTASH and cube for taste. Stay tuned and watch me do this. First and foremost, I'm going to be adding water to the African salad in order to make it soft. I'm making use of cold water. Getting the African salad soft does not really take much of your time. The process takes like 10 minutes. So I'm going to be setting it aside. What I have here is already sliced fish. I have also washed it. So I'm just adding salt and I'm going to fry it direct, just a normal frying. You can actually cut this fish bigger than this. A lot depends on how you like to eat fish. At this stage, I'm going to start frying the fish, but I'm actually going to watch the African salad that I initially soaked in cold water. I'm going to be transferring it into a bigger, and I'm going to be adding more water in order for me to give it a thorough washing. I always like to add salt to African salad when I'm washing it. This process will help me bring out the sand and also help me to wash the Abacha very well. So I've added salt and I'm going to wash it off. Also remember to wash it 2 times. I'm going to be making use of pots to do this Abacha. So I want to add a little bit of water, and after I must have added water, I'm going to be adding the POTASH, which is also known as account, into the water. This particular POTASH is already processed and does not have sand, so you can actually use it to soften your beef meat or whatever you are cooking that is very strong. Kindly add a little bit of this POTASH and it will be done. So I'm going to be stirring it in order for the POTASH and the water to mix together. I've added the POTASH, I'm going to be adding oil. After I must have turned it thoroughly, the next thing I'm going to be doing is to introduce the pepper. to be introducing crayfish. The quantity of crayfish you are making use of depends on how you like crayfish. I must have mixed the ingredients together. I'm going to be adding the African salad. After I added the African salad, I'm going to be adding the Uba strips. I must have mixed it very well. I'll be introducing the seasoning cubes and the spices I want to make use of. What I have here is calabash nutmeg, which is also known as ehu. It is important that you add it to your African salad, which will give it a special taste and aroma. The ehu comes in a seed, which you are going to be blending in order for you to get the powder. I'm making use of dry uziza. Feel free to make use of fresh one when you have. Remember that I've not yet added salt or seasoning cubes. It has to be the last thing you are going to add. I've already added all the ingredients that I'm making use of for this African salad. So I just added the seasoning cubes, which I told you earlier is the last thing that you have to add. So I'm going to be testing it for salt to see if I actually need more salt or it's okay like that. It actually needs more salt, so I'm going to be adding a little bit of salt. After I must have added all the ingredients, I'm going to be warming it a little bit in order for it to be warm. So I'll be adding it on a fire and allow it to heat up a little bit. You have to actually give it 10 minutes to be warm. So it is now 10 minutes that it is warm. So I'm going to be removing it. The African salad is ready to be served. You can actually make use of any meat of your choice. There is no particular meat that you have to eat your African salad with. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.